mga antikels, good morning mga antik-zayers. Welcome back to the vlog. Hello my loves, good morning. Today is our last day. And then we're gonna check out tomorrow. And this is our view for breakfast. With my husband. Sure, is your husband. We have a banana. Hey banana. Mana natin ito. Kung sa atin pa to, pinaypay. Ewan ko kung anong tawag sa Balinese. Ang sarap niya. Coffee. Ang sarap ng buhay pag wake up like this, wake up in the farm, wake up beside in your husband that always busy. He's always busy, guys. Always busy in his business. That's how he make his wife happy life and happy wife. Lala. Itong breakfast. My love, puno ka itong lamisa. Your table is full. Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? Good? Uy, hala.
Okay.
Thank you.
You want something more?
I think that's it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Omelette. Give me my pancake there. Pancake day. Pancake is live. And then omelette kay Dodong. Kain. Bon appetit. So mga auntie, let's go out again. Natulog lang si Dodong kanina pagbalik na mo dito sa room kay kapoy siya day. And then pagbalik namin nilinis pala nila yung room, so that's good. And then gusto na naman niyang kumain. Ang oras ngayon alas 3, so it's already 9 o'clock in Spain. We just go walk ha. So 9 o'clock. Uy, hugo yung ulo day. Hi naka. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Which one you mean, my love? This one? That's not paddy. Anam maya. Ay, paddy gid eh. Let's go, nagutom nas Dodong day. Anam maya, cooking class. May cooking class sila dito day, oh. Ewan ko no kung what's that? Bakit gusto to ni Dodong dito? Na yung view nila is sobrang naging miserable. Pero gustong-gusto niya dito dahil. So wala tayong magawa. Audition din ang ating bunker. Ganda ng restaurant, eh. Kaso lang maingay. Which one? Here? Nag-construction sila mga ante, oh. 24/7 construction. Ay! Ganyan pala yung ano. Nilagyan ng trapal. Ay, my love, that's how they do. Lagyan ng trapal. Finally. Okay, thank you. So, nag-order lang kami ng lunch is 3:10. Hala, it's my medication na gidi ay. It's 3:10 na ngayon. So, kain tayo. Medyo maingay lang ngayon dito sa ano, mag-microphone tayo dahil i-try natin yung microphone. Kung magrinigan ba tayo. Hopefully na nandito yung microphone. So, ayan mga ante, i-try natin to yung microphone. Hello, my testing, my test. Maingay lang talaga ngayon dito, Day. So, hopefully na kaya ang ating boses na magiging everything is okay. Are you okay? It's okay to noise. It's nice to be...
You are here, I'm okay.
It's nice to be not can't hear too much, yeah. So you cannot hear the noise much. May ginawa silang ano dito, doon sa harap namin, yung mga hotel ata to. Ang ganda pero maingay nga lang, sobrang ano. Tingnan nyo, ang ano nga naman dito, Day. So diba? Ganyan pala pinagawa yung ano, Day, paggawin yung tawag nito, Day, yung mga hotel, nilagyan pala nila ng trapal para sure nga dili gid mo tulo. Ay, nice. Nice, no? Sinend ko yan sa kapatid ko na palagyan ng ganyan. Trapal ba para sure gid nga di mo tulo. And then may ginawa din doong restaurant, I think yan. Ay, ang daming constructionist dito, Day. And then yung restaurant dito. Maririnig nila yung mga pokpokers. Itong isa sabi pa niya, ang ingay. Hi, my love. How are you today, man?
Very lazy.
Lazy? Are you tired?
No.
Are you okay now?
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going to Ubod. We're going to the shopping area, market area.
Shopping area? Oh no, we don't go Ubud tomorrow.
No, we just go show them where we can do some shop and everything.
Where the shops are.
Yeah. But you said you know where is that? You know already where is that?
Which
The
shop?
market.
Yeah, it's across from the palace.
Okay. I like to go there and see what they have and what they can serve. Hello. What is this?
This is rempeyek, madam. Rempeyek,
This is
peanut
snack.
crackers.
Bali snack.
For
Yeah.
what made for?
This is with
Peanut snack.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it's peanut, but it's made for what? Cassava?
eating.
Rice. No, sorry.
Rice? It's made by rice? Really? Never know this.
Peanut and rice.
I was thought it's made by...
Garlic and chili, garlic.
Yeah.
Do you have any allergy? No allergy, right?
No, but it's not too much
Yeah,
spicy.
some people
That's
have peanut allergy.
yeah.
Yeah, well, we don't have.
Some people there's a healthy allergy. Thank you.
Madam.
Thank you. Nag-order si Dodong ng white wine and then nag-hope siya na yung in-order niya na white wine is mag-working well. Kaya di man guna siya white wine man. Try. Sabi niya, may allergy ka, ma'am? Nako, allergy dahil. Allergy sa di kakaon. Ayan na yung food. Quesadilla. No, chicken quesadilla, yeah. And what did you got? What's that?
Rendang.
Ay, beef rendang? Oh, wow. Nagpa-beef rendang siya doon. It's so yummy. It looks good. Ay, finally, wala na sila nag-noisy dahil. Happy. Lunch time. Kain tayo mga inday. Ito lang yung in-order ko kasi nag-ano ako. Mango juice. Mango shake. Hala, ningkaon lang kag rice. You eat rice? I can't believe. My husband eating rice. Hala, hopefully hindi too spicy, no? I forget to tell them. Let's try. Let's try, mga auntie. Chicken quesadilla. Oh. It's good. It's good. It's not spicy. Ay. Iba yung amoy dahil. Bon appetit everybody. Kain tayo. Asan na yung
Wine coming.
Yeah.
Can I borrow some?
Hello. Ayan mga ante, nagbayad na si Dodong. Uy, ang dami ng fruits nila day oh.
What's your food, sir? You like it?
Yeah, it's fine. Good. The wine maybe not so much, but that was my chance. I didn't know the wine.
Yeah, this is new brand here.
That's the local brand.
Yeah, the local and the new brand.
Ayan. Let's go mga ante. The food is really good. The quesadilla. So, sobrang sarap ng quesadilla mga inday. Hindi ako nag-expect na ganon siya ka-yummy. So, I'm so happy, thankful, and very satisfied sa pagkain natin for today's video. So, nagbayad lang yung asawa natin kasi syempre siya yung banker. Ito yung last ano namin dito. Ito yung last ano ba? Dinner or food eating outside. So, mamaya mga auntie, alam nyo ba, iba kami dahil kasi asan? Where is he? He went down? Bye-bye! Welcome! Hoy! So, mamaya, lalabas kami siguro mag-coffee or yeah, egg delivery. Iba kami mga auntie kasi every time nakakain kami, ngayon, morning ngayon sa Spain, 9 or 10 o'clock na. So, pagkatapos namin kumain day, magutom mga auntie Kels. Sobrang, pagkatapos namin kumain day, magiging ano kami, magiging sleepy. Ano kami day, matutulog. Tapos dito, ano na yan, alas 3. Alas 3 or alas 4 na guys siguro. My love, oh, they have a happy hour. They have a happy hour, my love. 20% of cocktail. Ladawarung. Radawarung. Ooh. Ooh la la. Ooh. I love you, Rebecca. Para lang ma-exercise kami, no? Kakain kami dito sa labas kay all day nakaupo. So ito yung hotel namin. Ha?
They got a gate now.
Yeah. For safety. They have a gate now. Before wala pa tong simento dito. Ngayon meron na. Meron na ding atop. So, mamayang gabi, ang kakainin na lang natin is appetizer. Uy, day, kabusog na ko, day, uy. And then siguro mamaya, maglakad tayo doon ng mga 5 o'clock. May magpamassage na ngayon, day, oh. Doon sa baba. Tignan nyo. May magpapamassage na doon. Kung gusto kayong magpamassage, pwede kayong magpamassage doon, day. So, yes. And you, my love, your last day here in your villa, your last day in your house, so you have to relax and enjoy the view. Medyo cloudy nga lang mga ante, oh. Hi. So, now it's my medication time. My medication day. Daming medicine ni anticles ninyo ay. Ang inyong anticles tagan kayo tambal laon. Ay nako. 5 tablet. And then mamaya mag-change na naman ako ng pump. So Ay, life. Kain tayo ng medicine para mabuhay pa tayo. Charis. Ang sama na inday, ay? And then, nandun yung isa. So, diba? It's very amazing, day. It's very chillax. Hello, good evening, mga antikels. Alam nyo ba? Ulan siya mga antikadayers, but okay lang. Alam nyo ba na binigyan nila kami ng coffee, evening coffee, at saka tea. Libre yan siya mga inday. Yan yung nakaganda dito sa kanila dahil bibigyan kanila ng mga, alam nyo yung hot water, pero alam ko mga ante na meron dapat mga ganito, yung mga thermocan, cups, or everything. Wala kasi sila dito sa kanilang room. Kaya, if gusto mong uminom or mag-coffee, then pwede kang humingi sa kanila. So, bibigyan kanila ng snacks kung gusto mo lang. Kasi maliit lang yung space ng room. So, wala silang masyadong space doon sa loob. So, si Dodong andun siya sa loob. Andun sa loob si Mr. Ano siya mga inday, nagbasa-basa siya ng mga news and everything. So ako dito sa labas nagmuni-muni ako kasi today is our last night dito sa hotel na ito, and bukas aalis tayo. We are going to Ubud tomorrow, and hopefully maganda yung weather. And hopefully we can have a lot of things to do and roaming around. Marami talaga akong gustong gawin sa Ubud mga inday. Hindi mag-shopping or anything na kung ano yung ini-expect nyo. Gusto kong mag-explore doon sa center of Ubud. Hopefully lang talaga na makayanan ko. Hindi ako alam nyo yung sa mga motor, sa too much dust, kasi medyo kasi doon medyo matraffic. So maraming mga motor, and hopefully na hindi tayo magka-problema pagdating natin doon. Hopefully lang talaga. Kasi ngayon I'm so happy and very thankful kasi yung lagi kong iniinom dahil na ginger tea at saka lemon and honey is very helpful talaga siya sa akin mga auntie. Yun yung sa aking yung dito ba nasal ba tawag dito, dahil lagi ko talagang parang nasal dito sa lumalabas yung mga yung mga pasensya sa mga kumakain dyan, yung mga bad antay ito kasi inaano ko talaga dahil nalalabas talaga siya instead na mag-stock up lang siya dito. So nalabas ko siya in alam niyo yung in the easy way, kung ganun ba. Ang ano lang ngayon is si Dudong, hindi pa siya na ano talaga dahil hindi pa siya naulian. Hopefully na pagbabalik kami sa ubod hindi yan mag-worse. Fingers crossed na hindi talaga mag-worse yung ubo niya kasi syempre crowded, maraming sasakyan and so on and so forth. And then now it's gonna be my monthly period is coming soon. Hopefully na hindi ako magluya kasi may ano ako ngayon dahil na every time na my monthly is coming I feel really become worse. Siguro dahil tumatanda na tayo mga antikels, mga zay, mga zong. So ganito na yung pakiramdam natin dahil na parang hindi na natin alam kung saan tayo lulugar. So may mga pakiramdam ako na ganyan ngayon na. Sabi ko, siguro dahil 30 na mangugal. 30 na kainda yan eh. So mo nang manakit na na imong mga kuan diha mga sakit-sakit lumalabas na. But I'm just hoping na walang masyadong pain talaga. So yun lang yung hino-hope ko. And then si Dodong may mga problema siya na lagi niyang iniisip dahil na sometimes makapag-bother sa kanya yung sa car namin. But ayoko nang i-share yan sa inyo kasi super private. So lagi niyang inaano sa akin na mag-enjoy ka lang, I can do myself, I can do it. But gusto ko ding, alam niyo yung feelings na gusto nating kalimutan muna yung mga problema, balikan lang natin pag it's time. So but I think mga ante, that's it for today. So pupunta sila mamaya later on mga in a few minutes mag-asa amin kung ano yung breakfast na kakainin namin. I'm very happy mga inday kasi it's been a while na din na nag-relax yung kuday. May nag-serve sa pagkain, may naglilinis sa aming bed. I'm very happy kasi yeah, my husband did a lot of things and did a lot of effort to make me relax. And I'm so thankful for him for everything.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because I only wake up in the morning. My love, breakfast is ready.
Yeah. She like luxury.
Because in Spain, I also, my love, what do you want to eat? My love, you want coffee? My love. Now you ask me. But the problem, he's not the one who do it. He have a servant. He pay for it. So that's it for today mga auntie. See you tomorrow in Ubud. Good night. Bye bye.
In Ubud, on the way to Ubud.
On the way to Ubud. Bye.
You're where I belong.